welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina and today we will paint this big seashell. I take the black paper and the flat brush number 10. Load up one edge of the brush with the white color and other edge with the dark blue color. Blend these colors on the palette. And we will paint the first stroke like this. The second stroke will be smaller than that one. And so on. And now we will paint this part of the seashell. And the last one. Like this. Let's paint some stones. I take the round brush and the gray color. We can always correct our seashell. If it's necessary. I take the old synthetic brush. It must be dry. Load up the burnt sienna like this. And we will paint some dots around the seashell and the stones. Now let's take the raw sienna the same way. And a little bit Naples yellow color. And now let's take the angle brush, load up the sharp edge of the brush with the light gray color. take the small brush number 1, load up the white color and make some details. That's it.